So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain, and you can tell a green field from a cold still rain, a smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? How is you are here? We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What have we found? The same old fears. I wish you were